The torso model with the anterior abdominal wall intact. And what this first thing that's noticeable is the rectus abdominis. And on the left-hand side here, the sheath, the anterior wall of the sheath that encases the rectus abdominis has been removed. So we can see muscle fibers, tendon, muscle fibers, tendon, muscle fibers, tendon, and so on. And that's what gives us our six-pack abs, is that intertendinous connection between the different parts of the rectus abdominis. Notice it attaches to the costal cartilages up here, so it can act to depress the ribs. On the right-hand side, we can't see the muscle fibers, but we definitely can see where the tendons are, where this intertendinous connection is, or not intertendinous connection, but it's like linea transversae. You have to look it up for its official name, but so we see the tendon there, and then muscle, tendon, muscle. Okay, on the right-hand side, here's the external abdominal oblique, and it starts back here. Here's the edge of the external oblique, right there. And it attaches to the iliac crest. This is all external oblique. This is the edge of the latissimus dorsi. And so the latissimus dorsi is superficial to the external oblique over here on the side and the back. If I keep on rotating around, here we see the external oblique interdigitating with the serratus anterior. These slips are the serratus anterior. This is the external oblique. Okay? Now on this side, the external oblique has been removed. See these ribs exposed, and we see the serratus anterior more clearly. We see the serrated edge of the serratus anterior. So the external oblique has been removed, and now we can see the internal oblique. The fiber direction is in the opposite direction of the external oblique. So the external oblique's fiber direction is from superior lateral to inferior medial, like this, superior lateral to inferior medial. And the internal oblique is the opposite direction, or 90 degrees. It goes from inferior lateral to superior medial. So this is my pointer is in the fiber direction of the internal oblique, and then the fiber direction for the external oblique is 90 degrees to that, the way my pointer is moving now. This model does not show the transversus abdominis because we'd have to take the internal oblique off. Okay? We saw that on the other torso video. But let's find the iliopsoas because we saw that on the other torso video. This is the iliopsoas. So you look for the femoral vessels and nerve. And on this model, you see the iliopsoas is lateral to that. Iliopsoas, and then this is the sartorius. Okay, so this video showed external oblique, internal oblique, rectus abdominis, iliopsoas, and we saw other muscles like the serratus, etc.